Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you with us today. We're about to embark on an exciting journey, exploring the top-selling exterior care products on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just looking to spruce up your home's exterior, you've come to the right place. Today we'll be counting down the best of the best in exterior care. These are the products that have captivated customers, earned rave reviews, and stood the test of time. So without further ado, let's dive right in and discover the must-have items that are making waves in the world of exterior care. Let's go!
Next on our list, landing at number 5, is a product that's nothing.
At number 4, we have a game-changer in car care. The Chemical Guy's Mic 493 Chenille Premium Scratch-Free Microfiber Wash Mitt.
Securing the number 3 spot in our countdown of the best-selling exterior care products on Amazon, we have the Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover. This is not just any scratch remover. It's the ultimate solution for maintaining your vehicle's pristine look. Got light scratches or swirls? With Carfidant's Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit, those imperfections don't stand a chance. Utilizing the included buffer pad, this specially formulated compound erases years of wear and tear from your vehicle's paint with ease. However, keep in mind, for those deep scratches that you can feel with your fingernail, this might not be the magic fix. This isn't just about removing scratches and swirls. Carfidant takes it a step further by restoring the gloss and shine of your paint, bringing it back to its original brilliance. Water spots, oxidation, and other contaminants, consider them gone. The advanced rubbing compound works like a charm, revealing a flawless, radiant finish. What sets Carfidant apart? Premium chemicals. Each product is professionally graded but easy enough for anyone to use. No unnecessary color dyes or scents, just pure, effective performance. This advanced solution is safe for all paint types and colors. Clear coat, single stage, multi-stage paint. Carfidant handles it all with precision and care. Revolutionary and reliable, this scratch remover provides an effortless and secure way to maintain your vehicle's appearance. And it's proudly made in the USA, backed by Carfidant's 100% satisfaction guarantee. They are professionals and enthusiasts who have spent years perfecting their automotive detailing products. They believe in them 100%, and you will too. So, if you're looking to erase the...
Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling exterior care products on Amazon? Well, don't let your car get rusty. Give this video a polish by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss out on keeping your ride shiny and new. Now let's unveil our... We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling exterior care products on Amazon. To keep up with the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.